Hi guys, good morning. I just came back from my morning run. So yesterday I had a client call, and we were, amongst other things, we were discussing about how important it is to make a right choice when you feel low. So we were talking about nutrition, but it relates to all aspects of our life. So I was explaining to him how important it is to take the right decision when you are more likely or more inclined to take a wrong decision. Like if you have a bad day, if you had a bad day and a kind of day where you were kind of worked up and things did not work out, and by the end of the day you feel tired and you feel let down, you feel very low. At that very point in time you feel like putting your hands on things which give you comfort, like having a drink or munching on something which will release your stress. In those very time it is very important that because the day was not good, how do you feel perking yourself up, like go for a walk or listen to some soothing music. These are better choices. And just because you had a bad day, you feel like making it worse by going out for a drink or munching on something which is not healthy. So once you do that, so if you give into what gives you comfort, like a drink or something unhealthy to eat to give you comfort, it is very likely that the next time when you are going to have same kind of experience at work or at home, you are more likely to put your hands on things which you made a choice in the past. So this happens because when we do something, we make a choice, we make it our habit, and the mind gets the signal. So next time when you have same kind of atmosphere or environment, or if you had same kind of experience, you are more likely to choose a thing which you had chosen the last time. So it goes exactly the same way for making the right choices as well as the wrong choices. So whenever you are um, feeling like doing something which does not support your goal, it is very important that you tell your mind that I have to make the right choice right now. Because if I make a uh, not a better choice, like if I am making a choice which is not good for my goal, then the next time I allow my mind to make the same choice again. So whenever you are low or feeling down or something has not worked for you, or if you had a bad experience and you feel like giving in to your pleasure food, ask yourself, I can't make my day worse by doing something which is not supporting my goal. Let me go for a walk, or maybe a brisk, like a fast workout, or something which can pump up your uh, like endorphins. It can give you endorphins and you feel better. So in all those times when you feel that you need to have that cup of coffee or something which can give you pleasure, ask yourself, is it supporting my goal or is it going to make my choices better for tomorrow? And then do it. Otherwise, if you are allowing yourself the pleasure of indulging into something just to give you comfort, mind you, you are doing it for the next time and the next time and the next time. And it's not far that when you look back, you see how you have developed a habit. So this is very important, to be critical about yourself and make the right choice at the time when you are most likely to make the wrong choice. Thank you guys. So I just thought of making a video because this resonated with me, and it is something which we all do. Like for me also, my comfort food, my comfort beverage is coffee. Whenever I feel down or whenever I want to feel good, I want to have a coffee. And then I ask myself, is there any other choice which I can make apart from this, and what is it that I can do? So many times I try to divert my mind, or drink a glass of water, or maybe call someone, or go for a walk. Anything which brings about a change in state can help in making better decisions, and understanding how specific it is to make the right choice, so that next time you don't allow your mind to take a wrong decision. Thank you guys.